Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore the ways our meditation practice can help us better enjoy who we are and what we do. Begin by finding a quiet place to sit. Gently close your eyes and let your spine lengthen. As you sit up tall, release any unnecessary tension so that you stay alert yet relaxed. And as you start to settle in, take a few deep breaths. As you exhale, let go of any expectations you have for your practice. Let go of commitments for the rest of your day, and set aside whatever you don't need at this moment. Now, turn towards your breath. Soft, smooth inhales and exhales. There's no need to shape or control your breath. Instead, notice its natural flow. Observe your breath's length. Notice its depth, its temperature. Just let your breath be as it is, and stay present from the start of each inhalation to the end of each exhalation. As you breathe in, watch the breath moving through your nostrils, your ribs expanding, your belly rising. As you breathe out, follow the movement of your belly releasing, your ribs gently contracting, and your breath moving out of your nostrils again. Stay with the whole cycle of your breath, noticing your whole body breathing with you. And now, invoke a sense of appreciation for your breath. As you observe each cycle, enjoy the wave of your breath. Notice the freshness of each inhale, the soft ease of the exhales. And when your mind inevitably wanders, drop any judgments or labels and bring your attention back to your breath once more. Tap into the ebb and flow of your breath with kindness and appreciation. Now, allow your awareness to soften. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself if you like the person that you are and the life that you've created? Regardless of what your life looks like, it can be exhausting to live in a world where we don't like who we are or what we do. And no matter how hard we work or how many goals we manage to reach, we'll never feel truly content until we learn to accept, to like, and eventually to love who we are. Liking ourselves isn't about landing our ideal job, living in our dream house, or having the perfect family. It's about learning to hold ourselves with love and respect, celebrating our strengths and honoring our weaknesses. Meditation is a powerful tool which helps us step more fully into our authentic selves and learn to appreciate our unique gifts and qualities. Every time we make room for our breath just as it is, we are developing self-acceptance. And when we turn towards our experience with appreciation and kindness, we are building our capacity to honor and celebrate ourselves. It is from this place that we also learn to appreciate and value who we are, how we speak and act, and how we move through our days. As Maya Angelou once said, success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. Now, slowly come back to your breath and send a wave of appreciation into your whole body. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and let your eyes softly open. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here soon.